Well, we're here with Steve's RCI 2950DX. Interesting thing, he said he was getting a low AM receive for about a half hour or so after starting it up. So, interesting. This is the dual band 10, 11, and 12 meter unit here. It does have improvements on the inside, SMT technology. So we're going to take a look and see if there's anything we can do, anything obvious. Go from there, but powering it up. Oh yeah, he has an all-white display, so that's great. Interesting. These first came out, they were green and black, and you couldn't change the back of the colors because it was a strip of LEDs. They got rid of the lamps, but this seems to have lamps on it. Interesting. But yeah, surface mount technology, so it's a new board. It should be the 6950Z, 5913Z board or something like that. So we'll take a look and see. I've never had one of these in the shop here, but very interested to see how this is all done up. So let's go ahead and pop the covers real quick and see if we can find any obvious issues inside. Well, let's go ahead and see what we got inside here. What? This is not right. This was an eBay special I think he grabbed too. This is not surface mount technology. That's what was notorious for the DX. Jeez. Well, I gotta make a phone call because yeah, this is not a DX unit whatsoever. It's actually oh, there it is, EPT 2950Z board. So I think someone just did a faceplate swap, and I've heard about this before, that people were doing that, or they'd sell a 2970 and it would just be a 2950, or it'd be a 2970 without the amp bottom on it. And yeah, oof. Yeah, this you can tell is older. I think the serial number started with a T, if I'm not mistaken, with the DX series, something like that. Yeah, this is an old one, not DX. So yeah, let me go make a phone call and see what's going on. All right, just got a phone with Steve, and yep, he thought he had a DX series radio. So yes, I had to break the news to him that he does not. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. It's the old style board with the 10 volt caps. I'm gonna start there. And I told him, you know, this, you can put some money into it if you want. And what we're gonna just do is start at the 10 volt caps, take a look at all the notorious cold soldering here. So yeah, we're gonna just give it a good once over here and see if we can make some heads or tails of it without breaking the bank for him, and at least he'll have a 2950. But yeah, it's not the DX. So we'll see what we can do, and yeah, that's just awful. I heard about it a lot, that you know, the 2950s, since they really haven't changed styles. You can swap any faceplate and make anything anywhere if you take some terrible pictures on eBay, and you know, it's just awful to hear about. Anyway, we're going to get into this for him and do our best, and see if we can get heads or tails of what's going on with the AM receive. Supposedly the sideband and everything else receiving good, but yeah, we're going to take a look at everything inside and see. Hopefully we can find some cold solder joints and some bad 10 volts caps that are underrated, and yeah, go from there. But dang, man, that sucks. Anyway, we'll see you on the other side of this. And we're back with Steve's RCI 2950, not DX, even though the faceplate says it. That's the only thing that's DX about this. So we had the issue with AM. I did have about a half hour warm-up time to get it to come on. So went through, did a reflow, replaced a couple of the caps, you know, Same old ones. So that's nice and easy for him. Yeah, let's go ahead and just turn it on. Let's see if we have conditions. I'm not sure. If things are starting to drop out. Well, we got something on 19. Okay. Well, it's definitely receiving now, sir. Awesome. Going ahead and get this put on the bird meter and get this back to him. You never know what you'll find on any channel. That's just the way it is. Welcome back, and we're back with the 2950 for Steve, and this has 200 watt slugs average and peak, and we're going to go on the low power. You wanted a 1 watt dead key. It's about what you got there. Audio 1 2 3 4, audio check 1 2, healthy amount of swing, about 20 watts or so. And we'll go ahead and just do power up on AM all the way. What are you getting? Yeah, just a little under, maybe about 3.5 or so. Audio 1 2 3 4, 4 4 4 4, audio check 1 2 3 4, audio check 1 2 3 4. So yeah, you're getting about 25 peak on that. And just do sideband real quick while we're at it. Do low on sideband, bring it up. Audio check 1 2 3 4. Audio check 1 2 3 4. Audio check 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2. So there you go. You got about what is that? Man, oh man, you got a good peak on that. Audio check 1 2 3 4. My goodness, I do like that on low, and then we'll go on high. Audio check 1 2 3 4. There we go. We got everything going down here. We got it all set up the way he wants it. And unfortunately, the bad news is it's not a DX model. That it kind of explains a couple of the capacitors that were causing some issues and some just cold solder joints for a flaky receive. But we're going to go ahead and say this one is done. I do appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.